This is an overview of DICOM Search, a software to help you make the most of the DICOM data stored in your images. First off, DICOM Search is not a certified DICOM image viewer. It can display DICOM images, but there are far better DICOM viewers out there. DICOM Search is primarily a DICOM data indexing, search, retrieval, and export tool. We'll show you what we mean in this video. You probably already have loads of DICOM images, but no easy way to search those images. To start using DICOM Search, we need to first create a library to index our images. DICOM Search can process images stored on your drives or in databases. In this example, we'll be creating a library with some sample image files. We enter the search pattern for our files, choose to create thumbnails, and use a more meaningful file name for the database. And that's it. DICOM Search will then scan your images and index all the public DICOM tags and also create thumbnails of those images. Once complete, we can now search for specific images based on the DICOM tag values. Say we want to display all ultrasound images. The easiest way is to enter your search this way, very English-like and self-explanatory. Run the search and we have the results returned in the area below. Let's search for magnetic resonance images instead. We just need to change the criteria and run the search. Let's add another condition, weight. Notice that currently we have 594 rows. By adding an additional condition, we now only return 412 rows. Our search criteria can be as simple or as complex as we need them to be. For example, we are now searching for magnetic resonance or ultrasound images, and the weight of the patient is greater than 65. We can copy the images that match our search results to a folder, so that we can work exclusively with just those images in your DICOM viewer. We can also export the results to an Excel spreadsheet, so that we have a record of our search results in a tabular format for future use. The Excel spreadsheet contains links to the images, so you can quickly open the linked images in your DICOM viewer. We can also display the search results in the more familiar Patient Study Series hierarchy. This is displayed in the image browser panel. Let's collapse the results to the series level. We can filter on specific images based on the patient name, study name, series name, or file name. You can export the contents of the image browser to an Excel spreadsheet too. Let's try this. There are file links in the Excel spreadsheet. When if clicked, we'll open the image in your DICOM viewer. Okay, so that's the image browser panel. When we select a single image, DICOM Search will locate the image file and display it in the main area. Here, we can zoom in and out of the image, flip it, and mirror it. There is also a magnifier mode which enlarges a section of the image. On the four corners, the values from specific DICOM tags are displayed. We call these information profiles. You can define multiple information profiles to display different information to show exactly the values you want. For multi-frame images, a thumbnail of the individual frames will be displayed along the top. You can inspect each frame by clicking on the thumbnail. You can also view the transition between each frame in a fade-in, fade-out manner. Let's try this. On the right, we have the text panel. One page displays the patient data, and the text page displays all the text found in the image. Just like the image browser panel, we can filter the displayed text and also export the contents of the text panel to an Excel spreadsheet. We can also open multiple image windows. To do that, we first select the Open Image in New Panel option, then click on each of the image we want to display. Each image is open in its own window. You can rearrange the windows in whichever layout you want. Each image window is independent, so if we zoom in on one image, the other images do not change. To link the various image windows, we choose the Sync Windows option. Once this is done, any operation in any window will be applied to all other windows. Here, we have turned on the magnifier mode, and moving the magnifier window around the image lets us magnify the exact same area in the other images. When we open multiple windows, the text panel also displays the text for each of the images. On the text page, we have the DICOM tag values for all the open images, and everything is exportable to Excel spreadsheets for further analysis. That is DICOM Search in a nutshell. It is not a certified DICOM viewer and should not be used in a diagnostic setting. It is a DICOM data indexing, search, retrieval, and export tool.